How to find verified suppliers in Alibaba. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find verified suppliers in Alibaba. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that whenever you're starting out a business, any kind of business, a dropshipping business, or any business in which you are sourcing your products from a overseas manufacturer, there are a lot of pros and cons you need to keep in mind. And Alibaba is a great platform to source products for a very cheap price, but it is very difficult to find a verified and trustable supplier on Alibaba. So it's very essential, as this is the first step of setting up your business or sourcing your product, you are able to find the best product. So to get started with finding a good supplier on Alibaba, the first thing, let's say I want to search for women's dresses, 2021 trending, and I just want to start a business, a apparel business. Now, what you're going to do is once you search for the keywords that you are looking for, you're going to go into your left side and you're going to wait for these filters to load up. So I'm just waiting for these filters to load up. And what these filters will basically do is that you're going to click on verified supplier. So all of the verified suppliers, basically these are vetted by Alibaba themselves. So all of those will only appear. So all like shady suppliers are going to be first off, listed out once you click on verified suppliers. All of these suppliers have been verified by Alibaba themselves. Now, another thing that you can do is once you have verified suppliers, you can add a price limit that you want to work with, but that is totally dependent on the budget of your business. Now, although there are pros and cons, I have made a list of both of these. So, with the pros that you get with manufacturers from Alibaba is that you have lower prices, a larger variety of products, vetted suppliers, commonly used products, and then English speaking representatives. But there are some cons like time differences, coordination, and sometimes if you're running a dropshipping business, you can't do like accurate due diligence on the products that are going to be shipped. So that is one of the cons with Alibaba suppliers. But language barriers are mostly overcome by now. The only thing that I find a bit irritating is the time difference and coordination in shipping, because if you're running drop shipping, then you need a lot of coordination in shipping. And with time differences, let's say if you texted someone at 9 in the morning from Alibaba, they're going to be replying at like 9 in the evening because they had a different time. Maybe they were sleeping when you texted them, maybe it wasn't business hours. So you have to keep that into consideration once you are opting for a international supplier. Now, with Alibaba suppliers, these are some very important questions that you need to ask. So if I go on to Alibaba over here, and let's say I scroll down and I like this dress. So I like this dress. It's a pretty cute dress, so I like this. Now, what are the very essential questions that you need to ask to your supplier? So, to any supplier, whatever you are looking to buy, you need to ask all of these questions. And you might feel like, oh, this is a lot of questions. Well, make sure you are doing your due diligence. And with these questions, you are. So, the first thing is that the payment terms, if you're going to be paying via Alibaba or via a third party application, what is the payment delivery time? When do you pay them? How often is going to be the payment system, if it's going to be monthly, weekly, or based on the amount of quantity that you buy. So you need to clear out all of those terms beforehand. The second thing is that patent and packaging option. So sometimes Alibaba products have prints on them that might be patented by a designer or any kind of item that might be actually patented by someone else. And then you can't sell it in a country like United States or Europe where patent laws are very strict. So you want to really make sure that you're able to verify that any of the imagery that is used or any of the design elements have not already been patented by someone else, or else it will be illegal for you to sell that product. Now, after that, you also have to ask for the packaging option. So if you click on contact supplier, you're going to add all of your questions over here, and you're going to also ask them what kind of packaging they offer other than basic like plastic packaging, if they have premium packaging, if they have boxes, if they can do custom printing on the boxes or custom brand labeling as well. So you want to make sure you ask all of these questions. Now, after that, you have to ask them if you're working on Amazon, if they have had any experience with Amazon, and what are the closest ports to their location. So although this is the obscure question, but it's very essential to know if they have a port near them, because they will be shipping a lot faster than someone that is shipping in the middle of the desert, because that's going to take a lot more time than people that are already near the industrial zone. Now, after that, you have to ask for the production time, sample fees, or manufacturer or trading company. So Some of these suppliers are manufacturers of the product, but some of these are trading companies. Manufacturers will usually give you a lower price, but trading companies will give you a better experience. So you need to keep on the lookout for that. And then you also have to ask them that what is going to be the price of the sample. Usually it's listed right over here, but you want to ask like what is going to be the price of the sample, and if you actually buy in bulk. So if you like the sample and you end up buying from them, are you going to be refunded the price of the sample? Because you're going to be paying $30 a piece for a sample. So you want to make sure that you're able to get your initial $30 back if you actually do end up buying that product. Now, after that, you also have to ask if the minimum order quantity is negotiable, if they provide test orders, and what is the material. So you can see over here the minimum order quantity is listed on most listings. So you can see they have 1 to 1,000, and then this is the price for different amounts of product. So like if you order in the 300 to 999 range, you're going to be sold for $8.10. But you can usually contact the suppliers and negotiate a better deal with them. So you can say like, oh, I'm only going to buy 500, but you want the price of $8. So you can negotiate a lower price with this negotiation tactic as well. Now, other than that, you also have to ask for a discount, inspection, and how to ship. So make sure to always ask for a discount, even if it's labeled nowhere whatsoever. Just contact them, contact supplier, ask them if they could provide you with a 10% discount. In most situations, you're going to be able to get a 5% discount or a 3% discount, and 5 and 3% is a lot of money when you're dealing in thousands of dollars. So it's pretty essential that you ask for discounts and you're able to at least grab like a 3 to 10% discount on your Alibaba product. Now, you also need to make sure that you inspect your product, and then you need to make sure that you are getting the products delivered to your customers as they were shown to you. So you need to be in charge of that and make sure that you are communicating your product quality lines to them accurately so they're able to deliver products that meet your customers' expectations. So these are like some of the very essential tips you need to do. Other than that, so once you go on Alibaba.com, you can click on Buyer Central, or once you are searching for your product, you can just click on the request for quotation or RFQ form. And over here, you can enter all of your details. You can add the supplier compatibility requirements, you can add your shipping and payment methods, and then you can get a coded price. So the price that they will sell everything for you, because everything is listed for a certain price, but that doesn't mean that that price is not negotiable. So you need to be able to fill the RFQ form and then submit it to your suppliers to get a better deal. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to negotiate good prices and find authentic and verified suppliers on Alibaba. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment box down below. And if you know someone that is trying to find suppliers on Alibaba, share this video with them so they're able to better find their suppliers and get authentic suppliers on Alibaba as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video.